I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. It always seems impossible until it's done. There is nothing like returning to a place that remains unchanged to find the ways in which you yourself have altered. Once a person is determined to help themselves, there is nothing that can stop them. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. A good head and a good heart are always formidable combination. When people are determined, they can overcome anything. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. Action without vision is only passing time. Vision without action is merely daydreaming. But vision with action can change the world. When a deep injury is done to us, we never heal until we forgive. The wounds that cannot be seen are more painful than those that can be treated by a doctor. You will achieve more in this world through acts of mercy than you will through acts of retribution. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing it will not happen. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Sometimes it falls upon a generation to be great. You can be that generation. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. It is what we make out of what we have, not what we are given, that separates one person from another. We must use time creatively and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right. There is a universal respect and even admiration for those who are humble and simple by nature and who have absolute confidence in all human beings irrespective of their social status. Courageous people do not fear forgiving for the sake of peace. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Fools multiply when wise men are silent. There can be no greater gift than that of giving one's time and energy to help others without expecting anything in return. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny.